This is the tutorial video of using F2F Sourcing Show Platform 2020 as an exhibitor. Type events.f2f in your browser address bar. This will take you to the main login page of the event. Click on Visit the Event button on top. Enter your login credentials. Welcome to the main lobby of F2F Sourcing Show 2020. Here, you can find all the main entrances, such as the auditorium, the media center, exhibition halls, and the B2B meeting rooms. Click on profile icon on the top right corner to access your exhibitor options. You can see your dashboard, do video conferencing, toggle your video conferencing availability status, check your favorite booths, and log out. Click on chat icon beside the profile icon to chat with F2F support staff. On left hand side you will find the hamburger menu. Click it to access shortcuts to all the features of the platform. Let us now visit the exhibition halls. Inside the exhibition hall entrance, you will find domes of machinery, apparel, fabrics, yarn and special textile dome featuring businesses from southern India. Let us visit the apparel dome. Click on the apparel dome entrance. Inside you will booths of all the exhibitors. Click on a booth to enter. Inside the booth, you have the options like Chat Now, Video Conferencing, Card Exchange, Share, Contact, Resources, Product Catalog and Company Profile. To do live video conferencing, click the icon here. It will open a window to show who is available for video conferencing. Click on the camera icon. It will open a new tab in your browser. Give microphone and camera access when prompted. And you can now have a live video call. To leave the video meeting, click here. Go back to the booth menu. Click on the profile icon. You can switch off your video call availability. If someone tries to connect when you are offline, you will be notified through an email. Let us now explore your exhibitor dashboard. Click on the profile icon on the top right corner and select Dashboard from the menu. You will be redirected to a new tab. Log in using your credentials. Inside you will find all the information about your booth visitors, such as total visitors, time spent, average time spent, last visited, and card exchange details. Click on Visitors from the left-hand side menu. Here, you can see more details about your visitors. You can also export your visitor data to CSV file from here. To check your inquiries, click on the Inquiry tab from the left-hand side menu. Click on Search to see all your inquiries received. To see business cards exchanged, click the checkbox here. Let us see the chat dashboard now. Click on Chat Communication from the side menu. You will be redirected to F2F.io, where you can get all the details of your chat, such as visitors, page views, chats, reporting, history, and many more features. Coming back to Exhibitor dashboard, click on Video Meeting Request from the side menu. Click Search button. You can now see all the video meeting requests received. Click on Schedule Meeting icon here to schedule a meeting as per your convenience. Or, you can also copy the video meeting URL from here. Click Dashboard to go back to the home page. To log out, simply click here and select Log Out.
This was a video tutorial by Fiber2 Fashion. Any duplication or editing of this video is a copyright violation. For further assistance, contact expo@fiber2fashion.com.